In this video, I'll be going over how you can withdraw your money from your TikTok Creativity Program Beta account into your PayPal account. I'll be going over how you can join the TikTok Creativity Program Beta, how the rewards are calculated, how and where you can view your rewards, and how to withdraw your payments. Before we get into the video, please smash the like button and subscribe if you want more content just like this. Before I go over how you can withdraw funds from the Creativity Program Beta into your PayPal, let's go over how you can join the Creativity Program Beta fund itself. Well, to be eligible to join the Creativity Program Beta, you must be based in one of the countries where the program is available, have a good TikTok account in good standing, have a personal account, be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers. This is really important, at least 10K followers. Have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You have to post original content. And you have to post videos that are at least 1 minute long. That's really important, so keep that in mind. And you can't make content that goes against community guidelines. Once you meet these requirements, TikTok will notify you in your TikTok account so you can join through that. Now let's say you join the TikTok Creativity Program and you start making money. How are the rewards calculated? If your video is at least 1 minute long, once one of your eligible videos reaches 1,000 views, your video will start to collect rewards. Rewards are based on qualified views and revenue per 1,000 qualified views, which is also called RPM. Now keep in mind that RPM will fluctuate depending on the region where you're posting from. So for example, the US will tend to have a higher RPM compared to other countries. Now let's say you start posting eligible videos and you start earning some money. How do you view your rewards? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you're going to go into your TikTok app here and you're going to click on the very top right button right here and go into Creator Tools. And you're going to go under monetization and click on Creativity Program Beta. Now, once your dashboard loads, you can see your estimated rewards, how much you made previous day, and you can see a chart of how much you've made in the past week or so. If you scroll down more, you can also see your estimated rewards for the past 30 days, your number of qualified views, and your RPM, and for me personally, it's around $1. If you scroll more, you can also see the videos that you've posted that have made you your money. Now, if you want to view the rewards that you will get paid out to, you can click on View Balance. So once you click on that, you can see your monthly earnings here, the estimated rewards this period, and the minimum payment amount that you set. You could also click on View Past Payouts and view your past payouts. Now the next question is, how do you withdraw these earnings? Well, there's a couple requirements before you can withdraw your money. If we click on the top right here, you can see that little credit card icon. There are two things that you need to set up your payouts. First, you're gonna have to create a PayPal account and link that account to your TikTok account. You can see here for my payment method, your linked account is my email, and payouts will be processed automatically on the 15th of every month if eligible. Second, you will need to submit your tax information, so you need to fill out a tax form through TikTok and submit it. Once you submit both and TikTok reviews them, they will either approve or disapprove and you will have payouts set up. It's pretty simple. That is it for today's video, guys. That was a quick tutorial on how you can withdraw your payments from your TikTok account. I really hope you learned a lot, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.